Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December love reading. So if you are interested in your love life, ngayong December, maaari kayong makaresonate dito. But of course, this is just a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So for you, Gemini, so ito yung sample ng inyong bracelet. Ayan. So this is small. Small yung size niyan. Yeah, this is available sa aking Shopee. Perfect pang regalo and also for personal use. Yan. So naka 20% discount tayo. Grab the opportunity. So let's see, Gemini, ano yung energies for your love life ngayong December 2023? Love life ng mga Gemini. What's up? Page of Wands. Nasa exploration, ano kayo? Era. You're exploring connections, no? Some of you, hindi kayo ganun kaseryoso when it comes to your relationships. Yung iba may pinagpipilian. Oo. Ito yung tipong maraming options available sa inyo when it comes to relationship. So, you are taking your time. You are just enjoying people's company. But actually, ngayong December, you will also realize kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo pagdating sa relationship. Oo. Kasi mas inuuna mo pa rin naman yung sarili mo. You still care about yourself, your feelings. Kapag merong nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo, you tend to get to know this person. Inaalam mo, kinikilala mo. But at the same time, hindi ka rin naman agad-agad nag-judge doon sa person. Parang binibigyan mo rin ng time yung sarili mo na, to hang out with this person. Not actually nagmamadali, no? Hindi ka nagmamadali when it comes to relationship. Let's see what else. You have the Ace of Coins, new beginnings. Oo. Meron ditong iba sa inyo, if you are starting a connection ngayon, siguro nagkakaroon ka rin ng frustration about someone na gusto mo siyang gusto mong may patunguhan yung relationship, yung connection ninyo. But parang siya, medyo mabagal. Okay? Parang hindi ka nakakakita ng sense of stability with this person. Parang inisip mo, magseseryoso na ba ako sa relationship? O I will just, go with the flow. Mentally strong. Some of you are cutting off connections. Oh, lalo na kung nakikita mo na tong taong to, na-frustrate ka na sa kanya because you feel like hindi siya ganun ka nag-e-effort sa relationship. Oh, look at that. You have the Tower and the Hermit. Oo, parang biglang realization to for you, Gemini. You will see kung ano ang intentions ng person na to. Kung seryoso ba or just having fun. And with the Hermit, I feel like hindi rin kayo parang hindi ka rin masyadong madaling maniniwala dito sa person na to. Parang yung sinasabi niya sa'yo, yung mga pinapangako niya sa'yo, i-compare mo dun sa actions niya kung nag-a-align ba, no? Oo, kasi if they are not in alignment, medyo magdududa ka na dun no? Isipin mo, teka, ano ba to? Sigurado ba siya? Seryoso ba siya sa buhay niya? Oo. Kasi pwedeng ikaw, you are open to, having fun, getting to know new people, especially if you're single. Pero at the same time, hopeful ka rin na you will deal with people or connections, relationships na merong magandang intentions, 'di ba? Oo. So, importante rin sa'yo if um, medyo magiging long term yung relationship na to. But I think, no, with the Tower card, if this person ay hindi para sa'yo, ngayong December, pwedeng mawala yung connection mo sa person na to eh. Oo. Pwedeng you will be cutting off this person. Ito yung tipong kahit papaano parang sumusugal ka sa person na to pero ipapakita sa'yo if tong tao na to ay worth it. Yes. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are dating. Nasa early stages of relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, yung tipong gusto nyo kasi na makilala ng family, no? Yung person that you are dealing with. Or, pwede rin namang naghahanap ka na ng person na makakasama mo for a long time. Someone na may quality yung relationship, yung connection. So, that's what you are looking for in a relationship. And if you feel na kung itong taong to, hindi siya pang long term, yung iba sa inyo, ika-cut off nyo na yung connection. Yung iba parang sabi nga ano ba yun? Yung, you will try to go on a date with different people, no? Pero it doesn't mean na magsisettle ka na right away. So, syempre, kailangan pag-iisipan mo muna if you are willing to settle with this kind of person. I long to sweep you off your feet and shower you with my love. Oh. Meron talaga nagpapakilig sa inyo. Kaya syempre sa relationship, hindi lang naman puro kilig dyan, di ba? Merong sense of practicality rin if this connection of this person is practical to be in a relationship with. I'd long ago shut down those parts of me that wanted love, romance, and intimacy, but you make me long for those things again. Oo, so gusto mong patunayan ng person na to yung worth niya. My heart is opening to love and guiding me back to you. Some of you, pwede ring meron ditong person from the past na you want to try again, no? Pero mag-ingat lang sa mga person from the past na bumabalik kasi most likely, it's the same issue eh. Oo, na pwede mong pagdaanan with this person. But of course, ngayong December, you will realize, may realization ka dyan eh, whether you will continue this relationship or not. Because you're looking for a stable relationship. Yung seryoso talaga. Okay? So, this is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.